Hello YouTube and welcome to Hidden Hacks. It's important to keep our peripherals clean. Besides the fact that it looks disgusting when it's dirty because of oil, dust, and dirt, it also becomes a nice vacation spot for bacteria and other microorganisms. So on today's video, I will show you how you can clean your mechanical keyboard effortlessly by just using 3 common household items. I chose a mechanical keyboard because it is what I have and it's by far the easiest one to clean, because most mechanical keyboard design does not have any ridges, making it easy to get rid of dust and other debris. So without further ado, let's go! This step is optional and may be just applicable to IQ-supported mechanical keyboards, so if you're using a different one, just skip to this time frame. Now, if you're using a Corsair mechanical keyboard, you can either create a keyboard cleaning profile by yourself or just download this IQ profile by clicking the link in the description if you want to. Or you can just turn off your computer. So this is how dirty my keyboard is after just a week of usage. I only clean it once a week. But I keep a bottle of 70% isopropyl alcohol somewhere near to keep my hands always clean. To be fair, I think it's not even that dirty, considering the fact that I eat my meals and snacks and do my electronics and DIY projects on my desk. Here are the 3 common household items that we will be using today. First is a microfiber cloth. If you have assembled and maintain your own computer, you probably have one of these. The second one is a paintbrush. Okay, this is not really a common household item, but hey, it's really cheap, so go and buy one. And lastly, an isopropyl alcohol. I'm not that sure if it's common in other houses, but we always have a bottle of this. Now let's start cleaning. What I like to do first is remove the wrist rest and start the cleaning from there. Okay, let's move this up a bit. I'm going to clean it using the microfiber cloth and alcohol to remove the oil and get rid of bacteria at the same time. After that, let's proceed on removing the dust and debris using the paintbrush. I do it just like how the
paleontologists
brush the dirt off on dinosaur bones in Jurassic Park. First, I brush it in a vertical fashion, then horizontally to brush off the debris to the sides. Then, I use the microfiber cloth with alcohol once again, this time to clean the keycaps and get rid of oil. And we're done! Take a look at that! It looks new again. The only thing left for me to do now is to reattach the wrist rest. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again next week. Maybe.